इंडस्ट्री में सब एक जैसे हैं, कोई ना छोटा है ना कोई बड़ा है। हमारे पास मैंने जब स्टार्ट किया था आज तक जितनी भी हीरोइन है उनका सबका हमने स्टार्ट मेकअप किया था फर्स्ट फिल्म का। तो एक्सपीरियंस सबके साथ में बहुत ही खूबसूरत था। मैं ये नहीं कह सकती कि मैं डिप्लोमेटिक बात कर रही हूँ, मगर सबके साथ बहुत अच्छा रहा। हमारे साथ में ऐसा कोई भी गलत इंसिडेंट हुआ नहीं, सब अच्छे इंसिडेंट हुए जिसके कारण आज सब यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं।
मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ कि वो बस हमने शुरू किया, जीरो से शुरू किया, एकदम बिगनिंग जो मेरी हुई एकदम वहाँ पर एकदम नया नया ये मेकअप आर्टिस्ट और हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट इतने जाने नहीं जाते थे उस टाइम। वहाँ से शुरू किया है और आज तक का जो सफ़र है बहुत ही अच्छा सफ़र रहा। और जितने जितने बड़े हीरोइंस के साथ, हीरो के साथ हमने इंडस्ट्री में जितना भी काम किया है,
या हमने अभी लास्ट मंथ में ही हमने
मिसेस डगलस के साथ
डगलस के साथ काम किया। और उनके साथ काम करने के बाद मेरा जो पोर्टफोलियो, मुझे लगा कि मेरा पोर्टफोलियो अभी कंप्लीट हो चुका है, बट पोर्टफोलियो तो वापस चालू हो गया। जो हॉलीवुड के जो जेटा जो कैथरीन के साथ काम किया, बड़ा अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था। मुझे बड़ा डर लग रहा था काम करने के लिए, बट उन्होंने हमको इतना कंफर्टेबल फील कराया, तो मुझे ऐसा लग नहीं रहा था कि आई एम वर्किंग विद द हॉलीवुड स्टार के साथ में। बस मेरे को फील हो रहा था कि हमारी बॉलीवुड के साथ ही मैं काम कर रही हूँ। फैंटास्टिक, बहुत अच्छा उनके साथ काम करने का मज़ा आया।
तो हमने सिर्फ बॉलीवुड में के साथ ही नहीं काम किया, जो जितने बड़े बड़े इंडिया के शोज़ है, मिस इंडिया, मिस्टर इंडिया, ग्लैड्रैक सुपर मॉडल, उनमें भी हमको काफ़ी साल काम करने मिला। तो जितने भी हमारे मॉडल्स फ्रेंड्स हैं, जितने भी हीरोइंस वहाँ से निकली है, वो बस वो जो एक्सपीरियंस है ना,
हमारा जो ये प्रोफेशनल है, मैं तो इसको नंबर 1 मानती हूँ। आजकल सब बड़े बड़े घर के लोग भी इस प्रोफेशनल में आ रहे हैं, क्योंकि इस प्रोफेशनल में एक तो नाम है और पैसा भी है, जो मैं आपको बता दूँ। नाम के साथ पैसा, मगर मेहनत करनी पड़ती, बिना मेहनत के आप यहाँ नहीं पहुँचते हो। तो मैंने और भरत ने 35 इयर्स बहुत मेहनत किया, जिसके कारण आज हम यहाँ पे हैं। और हमने हमारा एक ब्रांड बनाया, उसका नाम है BND, भरत एंड डोरिस कॉस्मेटिक।
I think I've always said this, and the most important thing is that I have been inspired by my mom growing up, which is why I chose to be in fashion. My mom has always been my fashion icon. So yeah, my parents have inspired me. My work ethic is also comes from my mom. Having a business of my own also comes from mom. So I feel as every aspect that I'm very lucky to have such inspiring parents, and they've set really high standards for me to like get there. I don't think I'll ever be as good as my parents, but I can always try. So yeah.
35 years, Doris ma'am, Bharat sir, we love them so much. They're such a wonderful, adorable couple, and 35 years is like a lot, ma'am. What you've achieved, the heights, the greatness, the city like Mumbai, it's amazing, amazing. It's an inspirational story. I think they are the ones we should look up to, and we love you, ma'am, sir.
Thank you, sir.
It's been superb.
Thank you, sir.
We live every moment.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
once again.
Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
My most loyal friends, they've stood by me for everything. So I have 30 years in the business, so I've learned makeup from them. As a model, I've been with them. As a choreographer, as a VJ, my entire journey's been with them. It's more friendship than anything else.
So some of the best memories that I have during my modeling career have been with Bharat and Doris. We have traveled together, we have eaten together, we have laughed together, we partied together, and there is so much that I have learned from them, just even about life, because there's such a dynamic duo, one for hair, one for makeup, and they were always fun to be around. So I really enjoyed working and being part of their life. So 35 years, congratulations to them.
I would say that I wish them the best. I know Bharat and Doris for many years. They also did my wedding. I don't know how many people know that, and they made me look so beautiful.
Well, for me it is like home. This is, I started my career with them. They are the people who did my first shoot, and so for me they'll always be special. They'll always be family. I still remember it was Raksha Bandhan, and Bharat Dada did not go to tie the Rakhi. Instead, he came and did the shoot because I was starting out my career on that day, and then he went for this. So for me, they are family. They are absolutely people that I love and I do.
28 years. My career started with Bharat and Doris, and I'm here today because I think they pushed me, they helped me, and I think for me this is like I'm a part of them. So to be really honest, it doesn't feel like it's been 35 years, but it just feels like yesterday. It's that fresh, and I'm here honestly thanks to them because they have really supported me and pushed me. I love them.
एक तो थैंक यू फॉर द कॉम्प्लीमेंट एंड आई हैड टू लुक गुड बिकॉज आई एम हियर फॉर भारत एंड डोरिस. उन्होंने हमें इतने साल अच्छे दिखाया है तो उनके लिए हमने खूबसूरत लगना बहुत ज़रूरी था. आई एम एक्सट्रीमली प्राउड ऑफ देयर जर्नी ऑफ 35 years. वी आर जस्ट सेइंग 35 years बट वी नो दे आर वर्किंग फॉर मोर देन 40 years एंड आई हैव सीन देयर hardships. I have seen their zest, passion about their work, and their sincerity, their loyalty. It matters because they are so engrossed in their work. Come what may, any hour of the day, any season, any city on this globe. But Bharat and Doris are always involved and extremely passionate about their work, and I'm very happy that we are celebrating their work, their success and their 35 years.
My God, I have worked with Bharat and Doris from day one when I started modeling and acting. They were the first ones to do my hair and makeup, and the confidence that they instilled in me, the encouragement that they gave me because I was from a small place, and they really looked after me. They told me how to pose, what works for me, what doesn't work for me. So forever grateful to them, and heartiest congratulations, and here's wishing many, many more successful years.
I remember, in fact, ये मुझे मेरी मम्मी ने याद दिलाया था कि डोरिस ने मेरे बाल किए थे for an ad film when I was a child artist. So I know madam since then. She was also a child, don't worry. मैं उनको
और जो मैंने लुक किया वो
और तो obviously these two are the creators of my कसौटी look जो आज तक किसी को नहीं पता. कोमलिका का पहला लुक टेस्ट जब हुआ था इन लोगों ने मेरा लुक सेट किया था एंड पूरे बालाजी में मेरी परेड हुई थी इनके लुक के बाद. लिटरली एक एक फ्लोर पे जाके परेड करवाई थी. सो इट वाज आई कैन नेवर फॉरगेट दैट एंड सिंस देन अच्छा आई डिडंट नो दैट तो मेरा इनके साथ बॉन्ड बहुत पुराना है एंड आई एम लाइक too long. And all I can wish them is many, many more years to come, not just more 35.
Thank you.
More than that. What do I say about Bharat and Doris? To me, they are मेरे मॉडलिंग एसोसिएशन का अगर मैं सबसे प्यारा पार्ट बोलूँ तो it is my memories with Bharat ji and Doris. Doris is a Jaan. Bharat ji is very calm, quiet. They are just two amazing human beings that I have known in my career, who have supported me, loved me like their own, and I'm so happy that they've completed 30 years and I wish that they complete another 100, inshallah.
Well, I just feel that they've been pioneers in our fraternity, so it's just amazing and I'm overwhelmed and happy and lots of, I'm so honored to be a part of the 35 years of celebration. By the way, I was thinking that, they are not just a name, they are a brand worldwide. So that's like a kudos and a big congratulations to them, and I hope the legacy goes on forever from now.